Hello my friends, welcome back to my caliente kitchen. Well, today I have something delicious. Well, I always have something delicious. It is October. Did you know that October is National Apple Month? I didn't know. I learned that a couple weeks ago. For that reason, I am honoring this month by making a healthy air fryer apple crisp. Yes, it's perfecto for this month. Apples are a nutrition powerhouse. They provide vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fiber, help with digestion. Make sure you eat the skin. Everybody tends to peel the apple. In the skin, you find some nutrients as well. And apples provide a natural sweetness to desserts. That's why I love using apples when I make desserts. And applesauce, by the way, can be also used as a fat substitute. So have fun apple picking this fall and visit your farmer's market and supermarkets. And so you can learn how many varieties and delicious apples are there. There's so many of them. Try them all. And I have some good news for you. So stick till the end so you can hear the good news. Are you ready? Now, let's get cooking. By the way, the recipe link is in the description for this video. First, you'll preheat your air fryer. Then, combine the sliced apples and sweetened applesauce, cinnamon powder, a pinch of sea salt if desired. I love adding salt to my desserts because it enhances the sweetness. And finally, add the chopped walnuts. Make sure you mix everything well. I am using a combination of Honeycrisp apples and Jazz apples because I love their crispness and natural sweetness. But you can use whatever you have on hand. Now, transfer this apple mixture into your baking dish and cover, either with a lid or aluminum foil. Pop it into the air fryer and let it work its magic. While that's cooking, it's time to prepare the oatmeal crumbles. In a small bowl, combine the rolled oats and sweetened applesauce and coconut sugar. Mix until it forms a delightful crumble texture. The applesauce adds extra flavor while also reducing the added sugar in comparison to a typical apple crisp. After 10 minutes, take out the apple mixture from the air fryer. Give it a good mix before adding the oatmeal crumbles on top. Carefully spread the crumbles so that every inch of the apples is covered with this deliciousness. Now, back into the air fryer it goes. Cook for another 6 minutes, allowing those oats to crisp and the flavors to intensify. And there you have it, a delightful golden brown and healthy apple crisp ready to be enjoyed. You can accompany these with whipping cream, ice cream. I decided to do a little Greek yogurt so we can keep it healthy and also you get some protein and probiotics. All right, my friends, now the best part, the taste. You should smell this kitchen right now. It's amazing. So let's try it. Wow, this is perfect for this season. You better run to the supermarket and buy the ingredients and make my healthy apple crisp. You're gonna love it. All right, so if you wanna know more about myself, recipes, books, articles, videos, visit Villacorta.com. And here's the good news. Now I have a virtual practice that I can help people lose weight and reach their health goals one-on-one. Yes, all you need to do is go to my website and book a free 20-minute discovery call with me so that I can hear your needs and tell you how I can help you. Again, Villacorta.com. I hope you have enjoyed today's caliente topic and have fun this fall season. Make this dessert that you're gonna love it. Until next time, my friends. Bye-bye now.